The chat is going crazy right now. I'm like in a Kaisenet stream. Oh! Oh my god! Ah! Stop! Oh! Stop it! Yeah! What are you doing to me? Let me go, let me go! God, Jesus Christ, so... this is... I feel like I'm being attacked by bees. Oh! Virus! There's a new virus on my... Every day I'm dealing with some type of virus on my computer. But surely I'll get rid of all these little, notifications. I give up. All right, well, I'm gonna chip away at this for the next few hours. Well, we'll probably cut to the next game.